why is that man's face all red?
Excuse me, pardon me. Gotta check my watch. Cause it's time! Question. What you jumping for? That's a grown man! Get IT, bro.
What's your name?
Mommy,
help me!
Give it a break, bro. God, that man got a family, right?
Mommy, why is he so angry at the ring?
Oh, what? Hey, slow down, bro. Hold on, pause. Hey, where we going? Golly! Look out.
I was just wondering if I could. Why do you look like you want to hurt me?
Survey says what Emmett May spelled backwards is?
Why does that man look so angry?